Today we are discussing about the reptilia classification. There are more than 6,000 species of reptiles in the world today. The present day reptiles represent only 4 of the many orders that flourished during the Mesozoic era. Class Reptilia is divided into 4 subclasses based on the number and position of temporal fossae of the skull. They are Anapsida, Parapsida, Diapsida and Synapsida. Here we can see the classification of class Reptilia. Subclass Anapsida is represented by only a living order Chelonia. Subclass Parapsida were the ruling reptiles of the Mesozoic era. That may be represented by order Ichthyosauria. Subclass Diapsida is divided into 3 orders. Order Rhynchocephalia, Order Squamata, Order Crocodilia. Subclass Synapsida may be represented by order Therapsida. There are only 3 subclasses you have to study, that is subclass Anapsida, Parapsida and Diapsida. Here we can see different types of skull of reptiles. The diagram A shows an anapsid skull. The skull does not have a temporal fossae behind the orbit. That is represented by a complete bony roof. Diagram B shows a parapsid skull. Parapsid skull means there is only a single fossae, that is supratemporal fossae behind the orbit. The supratemporal fossae is bounded above by parietal bone and below by postorbital and squamosal bone. Diagram C represents the diapsid skull. Here we can see 2 fossae, supratemporal fossae and infratemporal fossae. Supratemporal fossae is bounded above by parietal bone and below by postorbital and squamosal bone. Infratemporal fossae is bounded above by postorbital and squamosal bones and below by jugal and quadratojugal bones. Diagram D represents Synapsida. Synapsida is characterized by a single temporal fossae, that is infratemporal fossae. That is, this infratemporal fossae is bounded above by postorbital and squamosal bone and below by jugal and quadratojugal bone. Subclass Anapsida. They are primitive reptiles without any temporal fossae. This temporal fossae is absent and the skull has a complete bony roof in the temporal region. The subclass Anapsida includes one extinct order, Cotylosauria. This Cotylosauria includes small lizard-like reptiles that were abundant in the Permian period. The primitive Cotylosauria gave rise to all other reptiles, hence they are called stem reptiles. The living representatives of this subclass come under order Chelonia, which includes tortoises, turtles and terrapins. Tortoises are terrestrial chelonians, turtles are marine chelonians and terrapins are freshwater chelonians. Chelonia salient features. They are reptiles lacking a temporal fossae. Temporal fossae is absent and that is the temporal region is represented by a complete bony roof. The body is covered by a firm shell consisting of 2 parts, a dorsal carapace and ventral plastron. Here we can see the shell consisting of a dorsal carapace and ventral plastron and these are composed of bony plates. These bony plates are covered by horny epidermal scales. The sternum is absent. The ribs are fused with shell. The jaws lack teeth and covered by horny sheath. Head, neck, tail and limbs can be withdrawn into the shell for protection when required or when the animal is disturbed. The limbs are normal or paddle-like. The eggs are laid on land and the female shows parental care. Common examples are Chelone and Testudo. Here we have to study only Chelone. The scientific name of Chelone is Chelone midas. Here we can see the Cheilonmydas moving in water with their limbs. Cheilon is one of the largest and best known species of edible turtles. They are popularly known as green turtle owing to its greenish fat. Adult is olive green or brown above with spots or patches. They are marine, subsisting mainly on seaweeds. Cheilonmydas is found in Bay of Bengal, Pacific and Atlantic Oceans, weighing about 250 kilograms. The carapace attains a length of about 140 centimeters. The head is small, neck is short and the tail is rudimentary. The limbs are paddle-like. The forelimbs are larger than hind limbs. These turtles are fast and graceful swimmers but move slowly and clumsily on land. Among the marine turtles, the green turtle is most heavily exploited in breeding centers. In countries like Malaysia and Borneo, the turtle egg collection is an established industry. Nearly 1 million eggs are collected annually from the nesting beaches of these countries. The female lays eggs in pits dug in the sand along the beach. They are covered with sand and left to hatch. The eggs hatch by the heat of the sun. The young ones move clumsily towards the sea. Many of them fall to predators. Subclass Parapsida. Members of this subclass were among the ruling reptiles of the Mesozoic period. The subclass has no living representatives. They possessed only a single temporal fossa, that is supratemporal fossa, bounded above by parietal bone and below by squamosal and postorbital bones. The fossae is situated high on the skull, so they are named as supratemporal fossae. The best known parapsid reptiles were Aerocoelus, Ichthyosaurus, Plesiosaurus. This is the diagram of Ichthyosaurus. Ichthyosaurus comes under the order Ichthyosauria. They were sea-dwelling fish-like reptiles. They are well adapted for an aquatic mode of life. Body is spindle-shaped and the head was produced into a long snout. Sharp teeth were present in both upper and lower jaws. The limbs were modified into paddles and they show conditions hyperdactyly and hyperphalangy. Hyperphalangy means more number of phalanges in the digits. Hyperdactyly means more number of digits in the limbs. The dorsal and caudal fins were present. Subclass Diapsida. Diapsid skull possess both temporal fossae, supratemporal fossae and infratemporal fossae. Supratemporal fossae is bounded above by parietal bone and below by squamosal and postorbital bones. The infratemporal fossae is bounded above by postorbital and squamosal bone and below by jugal and quadratojugal bones. The subclass Diapsida is divided into 3 orders: Order Squamata, Order Rhynchocephalia, Order Crocodilia. Of these you have to study only Order Squamata and the example chameleon. Order Squamata salient features. The skull is diapsid. The skin is covered by horny epidermal scales, shields or spines. Body is generally elongated and cylindrical. Tail is fairly long. The limbs are present or absent. In the case of lizards, the limbs are present, while in the case of snakes, the limbs are absent. Vertebrae are procoelous. Ribs are single-headed. Cloacal opening is a transverse slit. Male possess a double copulatory organ known as hemipenis. The order Squamata is divided into 2 suborders: Lacertilia, including all lizards; Ophidia, including all snakes. Example chameleon. Chameleon is an arboreal lizard found in Africa, Madagascar, and Europe. The species common in Kerala is Chameleon calcaretus. On the top of the head is a conical casque formed of squamosal and occipital bones. The body is highly adapted for an arboreal mode of life. The body is laterally compressed and covered by granular scales. The eyes are large and covered by a large scale with small aperture in the center of the pupil. The eyes are capable of independent movement. Chameleon has binocular vision. That means the field of vision is overlapping. The tongue is highly extensible, sticky and club-shaped. Food mainly consists of insects. The prey is captured by shooting out the sticky tongue at the prey. Here we can see the chameleon shooting out its large tongue to capture its prey. Toes are arranged in two groups of 2 and 3 each. 2 toes are directed forwards and opposing 3 toes are directed backwards. This arrangement is known as zygodactyly. This helps in grasping the branches of the trees firmly. Tail is prehensile. Locomotion is very slow. The chameleon has the ability to change its color according to the surroundings. There are 4 review questions. Please try to answer them. Thank you.